Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine pills Dune updated. Do not attempt to make iodine pills at home. Seek licensed potassium iodide tablets from pharmacies. I will outline the purpose of approved iodine tablets, when authorities recommend them, and safe alternatives you can obtain legally. This will help you understand risks, storage guidance, and how to prepare your household without resorting to hazardous DIY methods. Let's cover why iodine tablets exist and what they do for your body in an emergency. Stable potassium iodide protects the thyroid from radioactive iodine uptake, but only when authorities advise taking it. I will explain typical scenarios where officials might recommend pills, the limitations of protection, and why proper dosing and timing matter. This helps you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary or dangerous self-treatment. If you're preparing for emergencies, there are safe and legal alternatives to DIY pills that I want to highlight. Prioritize official instructions like evacuation or sheltering, and only use commercially produced potassium iodide when recommended. I will discuss how to assemble a basic emergency kit, store tablets safely, and coordinate with family members. These practical tips reduce risk and keep you ready without dangerous homemade preparations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.